Did you know that here in California, if somebody owns a home in their personal name and they pass away, they usually have to go through a strenuous process called probate. Probate is a long, court-supervised process. Families dealing with the loss of a loved one suddenly have to navigate legal paperwork, deadlines, and court approval just to sell a home. On top of all that, it can take months, sometimes even over a year, which can tie up assets that you may really need access to sooner. But it also creates conflict when there's multiple heirs involved. So I've seen it all, everything from siblings, aunts and uncles, cousins, all arguing over who these proceeds rightfully belong to. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what probate means for real estate in California, what steps are involved, and the options you have if you're responsible for selling a property. My name is Crystal Rains, and I help people in San Diego buy and sell real estate. When someone passes away owning a home in their name, that property can't be sold until the probate court authorizes it. Without this process, title can't transfer into a new buyer's name, so you're stuck. And unfortunately, most families just assume that they can list and sell it like it's a normal home. Most people then get totally shocked by how long it can take and what the process entails. Wait, what'd you say? You said it's gonna take how long? But the biggest thing people are shocked by is how much this process costs and how much it can take away from their inheritance. So here are a few more problems that will add even more fuel to the fire. Number one, mortgage payments still need to be made through this process. While you're going through probate, you still have to make those payments. Number two, your property taxes continue coming due. And number three, utilities, insurance, maintenance, it all builds up and can get really, really costly. And all of these ongoing costs eat away at the equity in the property, which is the very inheritance and legacy that you're trying to protect. So here's a general process for anyone in this situation that they can follow. Step one, you're going to petition the probate court to appoint an executor or an administrator. So this means we're going to pick one person to designate to be in control. Step two, you're going to gather information about the home's value, its mortgage, and its condition. This is important because you don't want to fall into foreclosure or have the rug ripped out from under you like almost happened to my client. You need to know exactly the state and the condition of the property. This is important so that you know your home's exact value and you're also aware of any potential liens that could stop you from selling as well. Number three, work with a real estate professional like yours truly who has genuine experience with probate sales in California. Not all agents and buyers do. But number four, you may need to add in some special circumstances. And if you can do enough proper homework and ask for a blessing, you might just be granted one. For example, under what's called a Heggstad Petition, you can actually petition the court and evade probate altogether. This is what we had to do in a recent situation that I was just talking about. So through this petition, which is a strategy that's rarely utilized, we were able to get her full authority of her home granted back to her. She's the beneficiary of the trust, so now she has the ability to sell it. And number five, retain a reputable attorney who's willing to be paid for their services through escrow. So one thing that a lot of people don't know is you can actually seek attorneys who don't mind not being paid up front and can be paid at the close of escrow. This can save you and your family thousands of dollars during this process. Probate in California can be a very stressful and strenuous process. So if you or anyone you know are facing similar circumstances, reach out to me. I'd love to help you.